Beat the egg, sugar, and vanilla together until creamy. Add milk and vegetable oil, and mix well. Gradually sift in the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder in 2 batches, mixing well after each addition until the mixture is smooth. Grease and flour a cake pan, then pour the batter into it, making sure it's evenly distributed. Bake the cake in the middle rack of a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes until cooked through. For the ganache sauce, mix melted chocolate with breakfast cream and a little milk. Once the cake is baked and still warm, pour the ganache sauce over it and decorate as desired. Enjoy your delicious cake.